Hey guys, it's your coach Marwan from Marwan Kilo Fitness. On today's video, we're going to be talking about the 4 main mistakes that people make on the ketogenic diet. So point number 1 is using red meat as your source of fats. Don't go there guys, okay? You need to get your fats from avocados, from olive oil, from nuts and MCT oil, which is coconut oil. Now, although when your although your blood lipids are going to look perfectly normal because you haven't got any carbs in your diet, okay, and you are still, if you go and look under the hood, so to speak, and dig a bit further, your markers of inflammation such as CRP, and ESR are going to be out of whack. All right, you're probably going to have chronic inflammation, and that's not what you want. It's not good for the body. So make sure you get your fats from these other sources rather than red meat. If you're going to have red meat, which is perfectly fine, just make sure that you go for the lean cuts, okay, and go for wild cuts of meat, such as bison, game, and these types. They tend to be lower on stuff like antibiotics and stuff like that. Okay. They're more or less, their diets are going to be more or less with what they're supposed to have, rather than the animals that are the animals that are in the farm, so to speak, okay, which are given a completely different diet. All right, point number 2 is not tracking your calories. Now, there's a metaphor that I like to use, which is called what gets measured gets managed by Peter Drucker. If you don't measure what you're taking in, how do you know if you're getting results or not? Right? You're not going to get results as good as what you hope to get or what you want to get. If you eat too little, you're going to increase cortisol levels, you're going to starve yourself, and most likely you're going to go and eat something you're not supposed to be eating. And if you eat too much, you're going to put it on as body fat. Because despite the fact that you've got no insulin in the blood, you can still put on body fat if you go over your maintenance calories, all right, whether insulin is present or not. So both are counterproductive. Make sure that you track your calories. Point number 3 is people tend to reward themselves, or rather, mistake number 3 is people rewarding themselves after a few days of dieting. The whole point of this diet is to lose body fat and actually get the body to adapt from using burning sugars for energy, to burning fats for energy. Now, if you go and have a cheat day, what's going to happen is the body is going to go back to its original state and going to be eating, going to be burning sugars for energy and storing all the body fat. And it's going to take another period of adaptation for you to try and get the body to do what you want it to do, and that's to burn fats for energy. And final mistake is people not drinking enough water. You're going to get constipation if you don't drink enough water, simply because you lack of carbs in the body. For every gram of carbs, it's 3 to 4 grams of water. So make sure that you drink lots and lots of water to prevent constipation. Alright guys, hope this video was helpful. Leave me a comment and let me know what videos you want me to do next, and I'll try my best. And also give me a thumbs up if the video was helpful. Now, before I let you go, I want to teach you how to increase your testosterone levels naturally. Alright, go to the link where it says download your free report, and where it says click on that link. It'll take you to a download page, and enter your name, email address, and then I'll send you your free report. You all know about the benefits of testosterone. There's no need for me to tell you guys about it on this video or any other video, unless of course we're talking about testosterone. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll talk again soon. Bye for now.